Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a rainbow look for you, so if you want to see how I created this look, then keep watching. I'm just going to do a quick product review for you here. The one on the left is the concealer that I bought from wish.com, and it is a fake version of this one, which is by Maybelline, and it's the Eraser Eye Concealer. So I definitely think that the concealer that I got from wish.com was still quite a good concealer, and it did only cost me £2, but I think I'll still be sticking with the Maybelline Eraser Eye just because it's a thicker and more full coverage product. So I hope you did enjoy the video today. If you did, just give me a cheeky little comment down below. And remember to give this video a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel. And remember to hit that bell button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Follow me on my Instagram account, which is here. And follow me on my Twitter account, which is also here. And until next time, take care.